America runs on hard-working auto pros, and for the past 100 years, NAPA has been right there with them, keeping their businesses strong and their customers on the road. I'm Kevin Linger, and this is Auto Pros on the Road. Today, we're in Florence, South Carolina, meeting a man who defines what NAPA know-how looks like in the real world. He started with a $1,500 tax return and a rented shop, and he turned it into one of the most trusted, self-contained trucking operations in the region. This is the story of James Bass, a man who built his business on southern grit, late nights, and a passion for keeping his community on the road.
I'm James D. Bass with Truck Service of Florence. We've been around 41 years. Come on, let me show you around. This started in 1981. I grew up in the trucking industry. My dad had trucks, was an engine builder at an early age through my dad's guidance and another guy, one of my dad's friends. I ended up working for him. When I got graduated from high school, I went directly pretty much to a truck sales place, and I think I worked there until I was just about to turn 21. I think I had $1,500 tax check came back, and that's pretty much what I put in the account I started with, and rolled my toolbox in the little building, and I could put 2 trucks in it. And within a year, I moved out of that building to a 4-bay building.
What started with one toolbox and a couple of customers quickly shifted into high gear. James didn't just grow a business, he built a brand. One job, one engine, and one handshake at a time.
It's all about who you meet in life. I met a guy, he was a banker at the time, doing a lot of fishing with him, and he ended up getting me a $100,000 loan with pretty much a handshake. And so I took that money and I bought me a piece of property. And so over the years, we've grown from up to about 28 employees, 16 trucks. We're in the heavy-duty wrecker business also.
And just like the best big rigs, James' business runs even stronger with the right parts and the right partners. Enter NAPA.
They came to me, and I think NAPA was trying to get into the heavy-duty market a little bit, and they're looking for people like me to help push the heavy-duty parts. And we were able to move a lot of parts in the area. I wasn't even aware NAPA had the amount of parts that they had for the heavy-duty industry until they came and talked to me.
Today, the shop hums with energy, powered by skilled hands, smart systems, and decades of experience. But make no mistake, Bass still believes in doing things the right way, the NAPA way.
Well, I like to see a satisfied customer, seeing a customer that happy and willing to pay for good service. You know, dealing with the right people is a real plus in this business.
From a $1,500 tax check to a trucking powerhouse, James proves you don't need a boardroom, just a little know-how, a whole lot of hustle, and a partner like NAPA in your corner.
You know, you don't never know who you meet. Will that person be a key to your success or key to something important in your life?